decimal. If you want to achieve a decimal, multiply by 2, 8, 16. Okay. Next. Now, binary to binary, leave it. Binary to octa you come now. Group of 3. That's enough, right? Because binary you have it. Group it 3. Convert to its equivalent. Hex octa. Group of 3 and write in octa equivalent. Correct? And write in octa equivalent value. Correct? What do you mean by write into octa equivalent? 0, 1, 0 you are getting. You have made a group of 3. 0, 1, 0 means 2. Enough now? Okay, chalo, next. Hexa. Group of 4. And write in hex equivalent. Okay, chalo. Over. Next, move on. Octa to binary. Split into group of 3, right? That is a group of 3. You need to like a binary value into 3, 3. Okay, example here 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 can be written as 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. You are grouping. Okay, then 2, 6, 2, 6. Correct. Here, what you need to do? Octa to binary means you have this. You need to get this. Ulta you need to do. Keep in mind. So shall I write like this simply? Any number 0, 1, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0. Correct. So what shall I write? Split into 3 bits. Split each octa value into 3 bits of binary. 3 bits of binary. Correct. Hello, leave it. Move on. Octa to hex. Octa to hexa. Convert to binary, then go to hexa. That is what, right? Or shall I write here? This one, split each hexa value into 4. How will you do it? Octa you have, hexa you need to achieve. What you will do? Convert to binary, go to hexa. So can I write like a x number you have into 8, move to x number of 2, then move to correct? Okay, no? Okay, let's move on. Hexa to binary. Split each octa value into 3 bits here. Okay. Each hex value into 4 bits of binary. Done? Okay, let's move on. Hexa you have, octa you have. Octa you need. Octa to hexa, hexa to octa now. Reverse. Same methodology. What you need to do now? X number you have which is in 16. Go and convert to. Anything else needed? Okay. Table you can remember. Here it is 16. Okay, seems like okay. I think now if one day before interview, the table, if you remember, we can convert. Done. Okay. So can I rub this table? Okay, Max, 1 more minute I'll give you. Okay. Okay. Last time we will revise and we'll move on. See, decimal to decimal, nothing we have it. Binary to binary, we don't have anything. So here we don't have. Here binary to binary, we don't have. Octa to octa, meaningless. Hexa to hexa, meaningless. Leave it. Let us move on one by one. Decimal, okay. To anyone, decimal to anyone, okay. Divide and multiply 2, 8 or 16. Okay. Now to from any other person to like example binary to decimal, octa to decimal or hexa to decimal. Okay. See, Decimal always will follow one proper rule. Keep in mind, decimal people, maybe from anyone to decimal, or okay, see, I can tell like this: decimal to anyone, or anyone to decimal, they follow one proper rule. Okay, it's not like other, they will follow different rule for different. Decimal to anyone or anyone to decimal, they will follow only unique rules. What is that unique rule? Decimal to anyone, division and multiplication. Clear? Now, anyone to decimal, anyone means maybe binary, maybe octa, maybe hexa, to decimal. Again, they will follow one proper rule into 2 power 1, 8 power 1, 16 power 1, like that. Clear? So we need to understand one thing, maybe like this, or maybe 2 power. For decimal, these are the three things will be followed, correct? Either divide and multiply, or factor. That is a factor, like a power rule, divide and, okay. So let me just make it like a power. Okay, can I write like a power? Okay, I think you can understand. 2 power 8 power 16 power. So one side is a power rule they will follow, and divide and multiplication rule they will follow. Clear? So it's very clear to us, decimal to anyone, division and multiplication. Anyone to decimal, power. Clear? Let's move on. So that completes our. So now we need to remember only this much table. Okay, let us move on. Binary to octa or hexa, 3 and 4 group. Binary you have it, group as 3, group as 4. That's complete here. They will follow one proper here. Binary. Now, group of 3 you do, or group of 4 you do, and write its equivalent hex, oct or hex. Next, octa to binary. Split. Okay. Hexa to binary. Split. Okay. Is it clear? So they follow one proper rule now here. I'll make one circle here. They will follow same rule. They follow same rule, and they will follow same rule, and they will follow same rule, correct? And they follow similar rule. Okay. So okay. So first rule, first this circle if we go, what is the rule? Division and multiplication. Second circle if I follow, power. Okay. Third, group. Here. Fourth, split. Fifth, indirect way of conversion, like 16 to 2 and then 8, 16 to 2 and 6. Sorry, 8 to 2 and 16. Okay. So here, just for your remember, mul and div, power, and this is what? Group, correct? And this is what? Split. Okay. And indirect conversion. Indirect or direct? Indirect, correct. Okay. Anyway, just I given one name, simply indirect conversion. Just for your remember. Okay. We don't have anything by that name. Okay. Just for your this one entire, if you make. So can I make one more comment here? Binary to anyone will follow one rule. Binary to anyone, group of 3, group of 4. Anyone to binary, split. They also will follow one rule. Clear? And remaining is in the octa to hexa or hexa to octa. Why indirect way? Like you go with intermediate binary format, then go to the respective. Okay, so I'll just write one small note for you. Okay, note decimal to anyone. What is the rule? Division and multiplication. Anyone to decimal, power, correct? Oh, sorry. Okay, I am wrong. Okay, next binary to anyone. What shall I write here? Group of 3 or 4, correct? 3 for oct, no? And 4 for 6 hexa. Next, anyone to binary split into 3 for 8 and 4 for hex, correct? Clear? Okay, you can correct me. And only then you need to remember octa to hexa or hexa to octa. In this case, okay, example octa to hexa, if it is 8, octa you convert to decimal, binary, then convert to 16. Next, 16 convert to 2, convert to 8. Clear? Binary to no, binary to decimal means binary to decimal will come here for you. See, 1 minute. I'll bring the table once again. See, now this line you tell me one, cover this line. How will you tell? Decimal to anyone. So all the 3 we covered. Okay, chalo. This rule is done. Okay. Anyone to decimal means this table is done. Okay. Binary to anyone. Anyone means here. Okay. I think here we have one exception we need to take. Okay, but if we are leaving these two here, okay, so I'll do one thing. Instead of anyone, shall I make it oct and hex here? Okay, sorry, oct or hex. That is more specific, correct? Binary to oct or hexa, group of 3 or 4. Oct or hexa, split 3 or 4. Indirect this way. Clear? Okay. Now I wanted to convert decimal to hexa. Division multiplication. Okay, hexa to octa. Indirect. Okay, binary to octa. Okay, octa to hexa. Octa to binary. Split. Correct. Then hexa to decimal. Power. Anyone to decimal. You need to remember like this. One person is decimal, right? Either left side or right side. Okay. See, well, last time. Okay. Octa to decimal. What rule? Anyone to decimal. You need to think like anyone to decimal is telling. Anyone to decimal, power. Okay. Next, here decimal to octa. Division or multiplication. Okay. Hexa to binary. Split. Binary to octa. Group. Okay. Octa to hexa. In indirect conversion. we don't have to remember much. This note, if you remember, that is more than enough. And table. Clear? Okay. So this completes our conversion. Now here, okay, I'll just take a one small Excel sheet, because the here one normally I feel like you COVID people near like make a mistake here. Okay. Here what I'll do, decimal, binary, oct, hexa, and BCD. Okay. See, 0, 1, 2, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 16. Now, binary you need to tell me. 0, 0, 1. Okay. 1 minute. I think we need to change the format, right? Okay. 0, 0, 1. Okay. They keep underscore. The why I written underscore, because or else it is getting converted. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Oh, sorry. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Okay, sorry. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now 0, 1, 0, 0. Now why? Okay, you will get to know why I am writing this, because they are all common small thing which you know very well. But where is a problem? Next. I mixed anything? Okay. Correct only, no?
Correct, sir.
Correct only. Now octa, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8. How shall I write 8?